Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Baslan, September 9, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. 5th row and 7th row, we have 1. Sound can't come these cells. The one is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 1. Sound can't come these cells. The one is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 1. Second row also we have 1. Sound can't come these cells. Then one is confirmed here. Second row, fourth row, we have 1. Third row, we have 1. Column D also we have 1. So one can't come these cells. Then one is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 1. 8th row, 10th row also we have 1. So one can't come these cells. The one is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 5. Fourth row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, 6th row, 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3, 4, 5, 6. That the 4 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cells. These cells, 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 10th row, we have 4. Column H also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 5. 5th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 10th row and 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.